So, in this third and last part, we're going to learn a tune together. But the goal is not for you to play this perfectly from your first try. It will take practice, and there's a lot of stuff we can say about how to pick strings correctly, how to place fingers correctly, and we're going to talk about all of this in other lessons. Right now, the main goal is to train you to read tablature and to understand what's going on when I'm going to play it. And if, by any chance, you can play this tune, well, everything is going to be better. Anyway, I'm going to show you the tablature so that we can start. And as you can see, I've cut it in 3 parts because we're going to take those parts separately to really learn them correctly. The first part is composed of 3 notes, and all of them are on the 6th line, the bottom line on your tablature, so don't forget it's the top string on your guitar. And we're going to start with the number 0. So that means an open string. I'm just gonna pick it with my thumb, or a pick if you want, just like that, and it's the first note. The second note is the 3rd fret on the same string. So 1, 2, 3, sorry. I have to place my finger right here. You can use any finger you like and play that note. And then we're gonna move on to the 5th fret, which is right here, and play it also. And if I play those 3 notes together, it will go like this. So it might not sound like this for you because it's your first try, and that's okay. Just practice it again and again by playing those 3 notes together one more time, and just do it until you manage to do it properly. Now we're gonna move on to the second part, and this is almost the same thing. We begin with the fret 0, so that's an open string right here, then the 3rd fret, and now we're going to move on to the 6th fret before coming back to the 5th fret. So it goes like this. Do not worry too much about rhythm right now. We're going to talk about this in other lessons. And all you have left to do is, once again, practice this second part again and again and again. And we can move on to the 3rd part, but I'm not gonna explain them as detailed as I just did. I'm just gonna play it for you so that you can see what is happening. And it goes like this. So this is it. This is your first tune. I'm gonna play all 3 parts together, and it goes like this. So even if you didn't recognize Smoke on the Water at first, no you do, well I hope, and you know how to play it, you know at least how to read it, and all you have to do now is to practice it again and again, going slowly. Do not play the wrong notes. Be very careful about where you place your fingers on the correct fret, and everything will be okay. So this is it for our first lesson, and once again this is a first one in English for me, so do not hesitate to comment on the YouTube video to tell me what you think about it, because if you like it I might do more. And anyway, I'll probably see you in another guitar video in English, and well, have a nice day and keep working on your guitar.